In today's video we are going to open a package from the Skalper.eu, which is of course sponsor of our channel. Our package is actually very big. I think we have like 10 or more cars in this package, so let me quickly show what we have here and then we will unbox our cars. Everything is packed really well, and of course we have some sweets. I love Haribos, but of course they did not send me the package to help me eat, but to show you new mini GTs which they've got in the latest delivery. So Lamborghini Aventador, Chevrolet Corvette, Bugatti Bolide, Ford Mustang GT3, finally the Porsche 911 GT3 R in the skeleton Roxy livery. Next package, Ford Mustang Dark Horse, the Mercedes-Benz 190 which was driven by Senna, Honda Civic Type R, Hyundai i20 Rally, Lancia Stratos, the Range Rover from Camel trophy, a gift which I bought for my brother, which is the Ford Puma Rally, the Lotus Esprit from the James Bond movie, same Bugatti, but this one is carded, and last but not least, for Kaido House cars, Nissan Skyline GTR, Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, Honda NSX Kaido test car, and the last one is this Nissan Fairlady in this police livery. And now let's unbox our cars. As you can see, we have so many diecast cars today, so I already prepared them to make it easier to show you guys these beautiful castings, and also I did not want to split this video in two parts. So first one is a car that is actually staying in my collection, and it's this beautiful Porsche 911 GT3 R in this skeleton Roxy livery. I waited so long for this Porsche, and here it is finally. So many details on the front, beautiful branded tires, rolling really smoothly. Of course, great looking back with the exhaust system. We don't really see anything on the bottom. Amazing looking wing, just look at this. And of course, very beautifully done livery with the skeleton parts, big Porsche logo on the front, of course number 77. Great addition to my collection. And now we are moving to cars that I will actually just show you because they come from the new delivery. The first one is this beautiful Ford Mustang in a GT3 edition from the 2024 IMSA Racing, and it's covered in this beautiful Ford Performance livery. Very beautiful livery with the iconic horse on the side. Again, very cool wing. Of course, branded tires, rolling really well. And look at this shape of the mirrors. It's absolutely astonishing, and the fact that these are rubber is blowing my mind. Very good quality from Mini GT. Big Mustang GT3 logo on the window, of course our windshield, and just look at this front. It looks absolutely amazing. I love Mustangs, so I would really recommend you to buy this car. And now we are moving to a cool car, which is the Lancia Stratos HF in this beautiful rally livery. It's so small. I really like these headlights on the hood, great looking wheels, of course, and we even have some details on the bottom. Great looking exhaust, of course, with a plastic taillights and plastic headlights. One mirror because it's an old car, and of course this beautiful Pirelli livery. Very nice. Things like windshield are of course here. So yeah, very beautiful car for all of the rally fans. Now we are moving to the car which we have in a two editions. First one is this carded one. As you can see, very beautiful graphic of a car sitting in the front of a building, and here as you can see it's a Bugatti Bolide. And here we have the loose one, so we can check out how it is looking. So many carbon fiber elements here. As you can see, you can even see some parts of the engine. Amazing looking wing. Just look at those curves. Really complicated design. Of course, our wheels with a disc added to cool our brakes. Of course, many more carbon fiber elements on the front. It's just a racetrack monster. And even on the side you can see so many carbon fiber elements. It's really impressive to me how good it is actually looking in this scale. And yeah, even we can see some interior, which is of course carbon fiber and painted in red, so that's a cool detail. And yeah, other than that, very futuristic and very cool car. And now we are moving to a Lamborghini. I'm not the biggest fan of Lamborghinis, but here we have the Lamborghini Aventador in a limited edition in the Liberty Walk body kit. And as you can see, our car is basically black, but here we can see that the hood is actually also made from carbon fiber. Great looking gold wings, rolling really nicely. Of course, rubber mirrors, and here we can see even more details of our engine. Great looking wing and even better exhaust. I really like the execution of this one. Very aggressive looking car. I really like the headlight design. Here we can see of course our windshield, and we can see how wide this car actually is because of this Liberty Walk body kit. And yeah, very nice car. Another rally car, this time is the Hyundai i20 from the 2023 rally race. Very interesting livery. It looks like a Ivory Coast livery, even though we have like a different flag here. And of course our car has some sort of a body kit. On the front we can see our body kit, very aggressively looking. Great looking wheels, of course branded tires, nothing on the base. Great looking back, just look at the spoiler, very cool one. And of course here we can see our drivers. If I am correct, these are guys from the Belgium team. And yeah, just look at this livery. So many details. It's done really nicely. We can read pretty much everything. Beautifully done car. And now we are moving to another carded car, which is the Lotus Esprit in a turbo edition from the James Bond movie. And here we can see our car, all sorts of details of course present in the movie, especially those. Sadly we cannot open this, so I need to show you this car in a package. But here we can see of course plastic headlights, great looking wheels, nice color of this car. Not the biggest fan, but it's not that bad. Back is actually done really nicely. Great looking exhausts. Of course we have the license plate even on the front, and great looking tan interior, very nicely. We can see all sorts of details because of it. Cool car for all James Bond fans. And now we are moving to a very big racing icon, which is the Mercedes-Benz 190E, which was driven by the F1 driver Senna. This car comes from the very special mini GT set, which includes all of the Mercedes cars that was driven by all of these F1 drivers on the Nürburgring. And this one is also available to buy separately, so if you want a car that was driven by a Senna, that's your car. And even here on the inside we can see the figure of the Senna, which is actually driving this car. So that's so cool, I must say. Of course, big Senna logo on the side, number 11, another Senna logo on the window, rubber mirrors, amazing looking base of the car. Just look at these exhausts. Great looking back with all sorts of emblems, our Mercedes logo, of course our license plate, great looking taillights and this beautiful spoiler. And even in the front we can see our Mercedes star, of course plastic headlights, our license plate. Very beautiful car. If you love Mercedes or F1 racing, you need to definitely get this one. And now we have another Mustang, which is the Ford Mustang in a Dark Horse edition. Not the biggest fan of this car, just simply because it's gray. I really hate gray cars. To me it just looks so boring, especially with this on the hood. It looks absolutely ugly. But yeah, it's not Mini GT's fault, it's Ford's fault. So yeah, here we can see beautiful black wheels, amazing base of the car. Just look at this exhaust, very beautifully done. Great looking back. I really like this spoiler too. Of course, rubber mirrors. And here on the front we can see great looking splitter, plastic taillights. Nice car, but yeah, the color is ugly for me. And now we are moving to the Honda Civic Type R from the 2024 piece car from the 2024. And our whole car is covered in this like Honda HRC Honda Racing livery. Very simple but good looking livery. I really like it. Nice looking spoiler, great looking wheels. It's a nice Civic. On the front we can see of course our Honda logo, the Type R emblem, plastic headlights, plastic taillights, great looking triple exhaust. That's interesting actually. Simple racing car, done very nicely. Even some details on the bottom. Very nice car. And now we are moving to another interesting racing car, which is the Chevrolet Corvette Z06 in the GT3 R edition. And of course it's from the IMSA Racing from the 2025. Of course branded tires, great looking wheels actually, I must say. Amazing looking spoiler, interesting livery. I'm not a really big fan of that, but I like the green mirrors. Amazing looking back with the exhaust, great looking front with all of these aerodynamic elements. Yeah, interesting car, but in a not interesting livery. And now we are moving to a very interesting car, which is the Range Rover from the 1981, which was used in the Camel trophy, of course in the 81. Very cool car. Look at those details, especially on the front and even on the top of the car. Look at those wheels, all sorts of equipment. It's done beautifully, I must say. Even the wheels are alright. Of course, plastic headlights and taillights. Very like old school looking car, but a cool car from a even cooler race, which was the Camel trophy. And even on the bottom we can see so many details with the little exhausts. So yeah, if you love Camel trophy or like Range Rover cars, this one is definitely for you. Just look how amazing it is looking. And now we are moving to 4 cars that are actually not 100% mini GTs, because these are the Kaido Houses, and the first one is the Nissan Skyline R33 in this beautiful Advan livery. And of course, the biggest advantage of the Kaido Houses are these beautifully done engines, and here, as you can see, so many details. Just look and admire, because it looks amazing. All of these carbon fiber red parts matching the livery of the car, because this car has some sort of a body kit. Wheels on this car are actually so white purple bases, which are really shiny. I really like those. Great looking exhaust tip, great looking spoiler, and of course this beautiful Advan livery. I love Advan liveries. Sadly, there are not many on Porsches, so yeah, that's a bummer. But if you love Skylines, you should definitely get this one, because it looks amazing. Next one is this beautiful Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR in this like orange color. Very cool car. Not the biggest fan of this Skyline particularly, but the engine bay is absolutely amazing. Just look at those details. This engine is done really nicely, and even on the bottom we can see some part of this engine. And of course, our beautiful purple base. This car is also very wide. Just look at this and look at the shape of these wheels. They are also so wide. And yeah, other than that, very basic looking Nissan Skyline. If you love older Nissan Skylines, this one is definitely for you. Next one is this beautiful Nissan Fairlady Z in a body kit from Kaido House, and of course it's covered in this like police livery based on Japan police. And here we can see our engine, very beautifully done, so many details. And on the bottom even we can see some parts of this purple base, plastic headlights, plastic taillights. Very beautiful car. And just look at those mirrors and the fact that these are rubber, it's amazing to me. Nice looking spoiler with the police lettering, great looking exhaust, very Japanese style. Of course, branded tires, very white ones. And as you can see, we have some sort of a body kit, but I don't think I am a big fan of this body kit. But yeah, and the last one is the coolest one from these 4 cars, because this one is the Honda NSX in the Kaido edition. And here, as you can see, we have some sort of a pop-up headlights, and actually here we have small switch, which if we move forward, our headlights are actually opening. That's so cool, I must say. And of course, here we can see our engine, and with the help of a knife I can actually show you the engine of this car, because it's looking absolutely amazing. And here we have this like transparent cover which you can put on the top of this engine, and of course we can close our window. It's all moving really nicely. And as you can see, you have so many carbon fiber like elements, but I really don't like the livery on this car. For me it's so boring and so ugly, and the fact that we have like blue wheels, it's really not for me, I must say. But yeah, other than that, if you love NSXs, especially with those type of body kits, this car is definitely for you. And that would be it for today's video. I hope you like what you saw. Check out Skalper.eu, and with my promo code Adam you can get 5% discount at the checkout. So if you want to buy any of this, just use my promo code and have some fun. Thank you so much for watching, have a nice day, and see ya.